Morning guys, today Wednesday, 9th of August, 9 a.m. Let's go through the pairs, see what's happening. The USD JPY lost yesterday, so the day before price closed in the red, and as you can see, I set an alert, wait for the price to come back to manage the loss, but it never did. Looks like there's a strong bullish momentum in the market, so it is what it is. That's a loss, but for today I'm gonna do a buy here. Even though we're at this zone, the overall movement is in a uptrend, and this already bounce here is very strong, so in all likelihood it will continue to go up. So we do a 1-to-1 here. Hopefully it'll break and continue up. Just USD JPY, USD CAD. We had two winners. That's a very big rejection, by the way. We have two winners. That's like everybody took profit here. Price dropped. So I still consider this as a strong bullish candle. I think this drop is merely because of take profits. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna enter another buy here. Yeah, that's a good position. Right, another buy here for the up. Hopefully it can go try to reach the top. Let's see. Use the CHF, had a bounce, strong bullish close, kind of a stock up here. The momentum looks to be up as well. The overall momentum. Still gonna buy this as well. 1-to-1. Buy at market. $3. ADCHF. Yeah, just missed our TP by a little bit. Do we maintain this? Do we close it? I have no clue. Well, if I'm following my strategy strictly, this is still in green, so I shouldn't be touching this at all. So we'll leave it be. Yeah, for now, leave it be. AD New Zealand. This price is too squeezed here. Nothing for now. AD CAD. We're in the red. Looks like it's failed to go up 1, 2, 3 days now. It did come down here, and I was waiting for it to reach up there, for it to close. This is a good place to close. Minimize the risk. I don't think this will be going up. I'm just gonna close it here. So that's a losing position that managed the small loss. Nothing for today on this one. AUD USD. Nothing here. There is no entry. Nothing I can see anyway. AUD JPY. Oh wow. Just missed my stop loss by a little bit. Lucky, I suppose. We'll maintain this because this rejection looks very bullish now. And if it can break above this high, potentially goes up. Yeah, for now we'll maintain it. So New Zealand CAD. I closed this one I think yesterday. And a small loss. Could have been a smaller. Good enough. Today, as you can see, there isn't much momentum. I mean, compare this move and that move, compared to this, market is it's not doing well. So we'll leave this be. New Zealand CHF. What a shame. Okay, we had a stop out and then price moved in our direction. It is what it is. So that's a loss. Today, nothing for today. Candles don't look strong. Same here, but I was able to manage this yesterday with alerts. So price went against me, came back, and yeah, closed at a small loss, I think around here. And today, I don't know, we have a downtrend. It's already broken this zone, kind of. I don't know if it's gonna bounce, it's gonna continue, but we do have a strong bearish momentum candle yesterday, and I'm gonna follow that up with a sell to be as small as possible for the, yeah, something like that. Hopefully price drops a little bit more before it pulls back. Should be good enough. If it goes down, it'll go down. If not, that's just one more loser, which is fine. So that's a sell. New Zealand USD, New Zealand JPY. Oh wow, what a mess. Looks like this zone is holding. Well, I'm already in a trade. If I wasn't in a trade, I wouldn't go in a trade. But now I'm in a trade. I'll maintain it. what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set my stop loss because this doesn't look good either way. Just gonna set my stop loss here, maybe a little bit lower. Yeah, sure. Alright, so I set my stop loss at break even. If it continues down, hit the TP, good. If it doesn't, I'm risk free. Leave that be. No new entries today. Euro pound. Yeah, I closed that near break even yesterday. So the day before it closed in the red. Yesterday came back up, and I closed it, and looks like I did the right thing. It doesn't look like it's capable of reaching these highs. I'm gonna put a sell here. Reason being, the day before yesterday had a strong bearish candle, and yesterday we also have a strong rejection, which means bears are, at least looks like, bears are dominant. I don't know how long they're gonna stay dominant. That's that. Now, I don't know if this is gonna be a rejection zone or if this one's gonna be the rejection zone. I don't know. So we'll just remove this and wait for the price to its thing. Hopefully it'll drop further down. Euro CHF, nothing here. Euro JPY at a loss. Oh wow, damn. Look, I came all the way here. Missed my alert, but it would have hit the stop loss anyway. So that's a loss. It is what it is. Remove this zone is meaningless now. Mostly we're looking at this top. Yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna go for a buy here because first thing, I might have already rejected it. Wanna go down. Second thing, yesterday candle's not very strong, so I don't see a strong momentum here. Euro AUD, we have a winner. Yeah, it looks like price is stalling near that top. Is it gonna break through or is it gonna bounce down? I have no idea. This is 100% sideways movement. There is no momentum at all. Let me just leave it be for now. Euro USD. Oh, great. So I can close this at a small loss. Alright, so close this here at a small loss, pretty much zero loss, which is good. Went completely against me for 2 days, then came back. It didn't hit my stop loss, so it gave me the opportunity to close it here at break even. Now I was planning on selling this, but seeing the rejection down here, I don't really know what to think. Looks like this area now is a sideways movement rather than something with a, like previously, something with a strong momentum. Nah, even though it's a strong candle, had the same thing, a strong bearish candle and then reversed. This is just another strong bearish candle. Unless it breaks down below this level, I think we just leave it be. Yeah, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark this as a box. So for me to enter, I need to see price close strongly out of this box, one way or another. Euro New Zealand at a loss. Nothing for today. Looks like price is kind of stolen here. Yesterday didn't close strong bullish either. Had a big weak rejection. So I can go either way today. Leave it be. Euro CAD. Okay, that's unfortunate. Looks like we are not going up. Just gonna close this right where it is. It's a small loss. We can take it. It did move in my direction, but then it got rejected back down. Looks like it's gonna drop. Nothing here for now. Pound JPY. That's a loss. And no entries today. This is a strong bullish candle, granted, but it's way too close to this high, and I'm honestly with the kind of movement we've been having in the market for this pair, I'm not really sure if it's gonna be capable of breaking above this zone. So we'll leave it be. Pound AUD. Damn, I missed my TP by a bit. Anyway, it's in the green, so we just maintain it for now. Pound USD, also in the green, we'll maintain it. Pound CAD, looks like it's breaking out of the box, but not very strongly. Let's stay away from this for now. That was a loss which I also managed. Price closed against me here in the green, and I just closed it there. Could have waited for a better push down to close, but as long as it's managed, It's fine. No entries here. Pound New Zealand. Okay, you're gonna enter this one even though it's moved a little bit. Do $20 and buy at market. CAD CHF, we had 2 winners. So I've been in 2 positions on this one. First one, this is the first one, and this would be the second one. Technically closed here. For today, it's kind of indecision candle and it's been rejected. So yeah, we'll leave this be for now. CAD JPY. I had 1 winner previously and 1 loss. Yesterday was a loss. This actually, I'm just trying to think if this is definitely a bullish candle, big rejection, previous bullish candle. So looks like we have a big bullish momentum here. Yeah, let's go with it. Let's go for a buy. So buy at market, $20, and hopefully it'll continue its bullish momentum up. CHF JPY also a loss. Unfortunately, so I did set alert, but it didn't really come down to these levels for me to manage the loss. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks guys for listening and watching, and we'll continue this tomorrow. Take care.